Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you how to know someone blocked you or deleted their account. To find it out, first of all open their Instagram account and then search for their username on the searching bar. If it doesn't show in your searching list, then they have either blocked or deleted their account. To find it out, open your browser in your device and then search for instagram.com/their username. Search with that. If the account shows on the browser, then they have blocked you, but if it doesn't show, then they must have deleted their account. So in this way you can easily know if someone has blocked or deleted their account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.